Hello students, this is a tutorial video on how to use Google SketchUp to create a 3D model of your initials. First off, you should be signed in, logged into your computer. Next you'll go and launch SketchUp. I would, once SketchUp pops up, you'll see this initial menu. It's asking you to choose a template. Click on the choose a template section right here. Select simple template, feet and inches. Click on it and then start using SketchUp right here. Once you're here, I strongly encourage you to click on the green, use the whole space, the whole canvas that you have on, so you have a lot of space. Next, you will see at the top, this is the menu, and these are toolbars. You might need to make some change to your toolbars at first. The way you do that is you go to View, go to Customize Toolbars, click on it. Some of you might have only icon only shows, like you can see the changes. I suggest you use icon and text. You can add other tools that you might be interested. If you don't have the eraser, just drag it and it comes up. You can also use polygons, bring it here in case it doesn't have it, and just done. You can always go back to View, Customize Toolbar. Next step, to make it easy for you to do your initials, I'm going to strongly suggest, and actually you should, go to Camera, click on Camera on the menu bar, scroll down to Standard Views, and then go to Top. Once you're there, you'll notice this line, that's the little model of the woman that was standing there. Now you're flat. It's like you're looking at a flat piece of paper. Next thing, use the rectangle. Click on rectangle, and you notice that your pointer now looks like a pencil. You can click on your left click on your mouse or mouse pad and draw the rectangle. Let go. Do the same here, little squares. Doesn't have to be perfect for my initials. My name is Espinosa, so my first letter should be an I. What I'm going to do is, if you notice, I'm going to the edge. As soon as I touch the edge, you'll see a little red dot on edge. So that means I'm there. I'm good. And click. Then the same thing here. I'm on edge now. Doesn't have to be too perfect. That's good. That's an I. It looks like an I in here. Now I'm going to go here for the E. Simple. I touch the edge. There. Now you could say it looks like an E, but there's something missing. Now I'm going to go click on the toolbar eraser, and I'm going to erase this line. I'm going to touch the line, click on it, click on these lines. Make sure I'm only touching this line. If I touch this, I'm going to erase everything. I don't want to do that. See, I created a problem. I'm going to do the Command Z to undo. And there I have IE, Ivan Espinosa. Simple. Next step, which makes it really interesting, is go to the orbit. Click on orbit on the toolbar. While clicking on the left side of the mouse, you can move your mouse and you'll see that now you're orbiting, you're rotating it and down. Now it's cool. Like you can see the girl is looking at the floor, like if somebody just drew IE on the floor. Next, click on push and pull. This push and pull is the whole magic. Then click and pull up. Now you're seeing a 3D model of your initials. Very simple. Go to orbit again, just to rotate it and see. You take a look. I want you to be curious. Look, wow, it's a 3D model. All right, but we're not completely done yet. Now, we're going to use the pen, move over. You can always, if you use the little ball, track ball on the mouse, going up, you can zoom in, going down, you zoom out. let's zoom in so you can see the whole canvas perfectly. Now I'm gonna go to Paint Bucket. This pops up. You can have colors, but for this I would like you to go to the brick section here. If you notice, bricks, you can make it look like crayons. You can give it look like metal, or tiles or anything like that. I want to make it look like bricks because it's like a mini building. I'm gonna pick, I like this one, and then I'm just gonna color it in. Click on this to move it to the side. Now you're saying, am I completely done? No. Remember, this is a three-dimensional model, so it's objects. Three-dimensional models have many sides. So you have to click on orbit, spin it around. You're like, oh, I missed a spot. Oh, I actually missed a lot of spots. Go back to Paint Bucket and color in the sides. Am I still done? No, let me just take a look if there's anything I missed. Yeah, oh my goodness. I missed this whole complete side. So I'm going to go Paint Bucket again. Now, you're free to paint each side a different color if you want. I like some symmetry, so that's what I'm doing. Going back to orbit. I'm going to spin it. Did I miss anything? Yep, I missed another side. So basically there's one side, two sides, three, four sides. Paint Bucket. Make sure you get everything. Zoom out, zoom in. I'm gonna go orbit. I think I got everything now. Looks cool. Now, I'm gonna close this down. Pan so I can move over. Now I want to add text tool. I'm gonna click on text tool right here. While clicking on the eye, I'm gonna make a little arrow pointing there, and I'm gonna type in my first name, Ivan. Not enter, just click away. It's done. The same thing here, Espinosa, and just click away. So lets me know that when we print this out, what does the I stand for? It stands for Ivan, and the E for Espinosa, and these are the dots. So now let's take a look. Looks really nice. Perfect, beautiful. Very simple to do. You know, if you miss a step, it's a video, just go back and look at it. You know, you can pace yourself. If you miss many steps, just go back, view it again, go back, view it again, whatever you need to, and you should be able to do it. Thank you for watching the video, and good luck with your initials.